Okay, so you got the Tapo C520WS and you want to have it working on your iPhone. It's very simple, right? Just get the camera out of the box. It comes like this, flashing the LED red and green. That means the camera is ready for the setup. If it's not like that, you just need to move this up, open here this flap, and reset the camera by pressing the button here. There is a reset button that you just need to use a paper clip. Press and hold for 10 seconds, right? The camera is going to reset and be ready for the setup with the LED flashing like this. Okay? As long as you have the camera that way, just use this Tapo app on your iPhone. So if you don't have it, just need to go to the App Store and download from there. Here on your iPhone, App Store, Tapo, and look for the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Download it, install it, create your account. It's a free account using your email, and just create a password. And then you open the app, log in, and you're good to go. You're gonna see a big button that allows you to add the new camera, or you can see the button here on the top. Just click the plus signal and hit add device. Then here you're gonna look for outdoor cameras and look for the Tapo C520WS. Okay, there we go. And now you just need to check here on the back of the camera the serial number to see if the camera has version 1.x or 2.x. So to do that, you just need to move this all the way down or all the way up. And here you're gonna find the information, okay? See here, by the end of the serial number, version 2.6. That's the one that I have here. So let's just move this back. And I'm gonna use this one then, right? Here I'm going to use wireless. You can also connect the cable if you want to and connect to your router. But here I'm going to use wireless. There are the antennas here on the camera. So I just hit next. It's flashing here. It is. So it's good to go. Now the camera is going to connect to the cell phone via Bluetooth. So just make sure that you have the Bluetooth enabled. And after this, the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. Meaning which router, right? Your router that you're using to connect your devices. So here's the list of the routers. The camera can see it. And here's mine. Here's the password that I'm using to connect to my router. And I hit next and confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, you got the message. The Wi-Fi is connected, meaning the camera is connecting to the router directly, right? And you just keep following the wizard here to name the camera, to set up the cloud, to set up the SD card. Super simple. Just be patient and wait. There we go. Can name the camera now. I'll leave it with this name. Select a location. Hit next. Select an icon. There we go. It's complete. It sounds good. Then you're good to go. Let me just put the camera back there so you can see some motion out there on the streets. There we go. And now here you can select to use the 30-day trial if you want to record into the cloud. It's a good idea because the camera can record into the SD card, but can also record into the cloud. If somebody takes your camera away, you have the recordings on the cloud. But I'll just dismiss this for now. And here I can select my hub, Tapo Hub, to record into my hub as well. I'm gonna do that later. And here's the SD card, okay? So you can just insert an SD card to the camera. Let me just show you here. It's in the same location that you have here, the reset button. You just move this all the way up, open this flap. And here you're gonna find the SD card, right? Already have one here. I'm going to leave the link in the description for a good SD card. And don't forget to just close here. Move down. And let me just put the camera back here. and continue. Here the camera is going to update itself on 3 a.m. 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Got it, and the camera is good to go, okay? So here it's working, and I can see live image from the camera. And then I just need to invert the image here because I'm using upside down here. I didn't install the camera yet. I can come here to video and display, and here I can invert the image. Then I saw it, now it's working, and I can control the PT. So I just move the camera to the left, to the right, and it's basically working up and down as well. So pretty simple. And from here you can explore all the buttons and everything else, right? But basically that's the way you can set up your Tapo C520WS with your iPhone. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.